If you're using Toast Go handheld devices, you'll need to set up wireless access points throughout your restaurant's service areas in order to provide wireless internet connectivity to these devices, and for them to function at optimal performance. You may already have wireless access points in your restaurant for guest Wi-Fi, security systems, sound systems, etc., but you'll need to install new separate Toast wireless access points to run Toast. We offer two different versions. We have one for indoor use and one for outdoor use. Each service area, like your dining room, lounge, bar, or patio, will need at least one wireless access point mounted on the ceiling in the center of the area. For large rooms that exceed the approximate coverage area of 45 feet in every direction from the access point, you'll need more than one to ensure adequate coverage. When deciding on the exact location to mount your access point, confirm the area has network access. Make sure that there's at least one Ethernet outlet or an Ethernet cable in the ceiling to plug into the wireless access point. This open network outlet or available Ethernet cable must have a home run back to the Toast router or network switch. The access point does not need a power cable because it receives power from a concept called Power over Ethernet or PoE. This means that the wireless access point is designed to receive both power and internet connectivity through the Ethernet cable. To leverage this, you can use a PoE compatible switch if you have enough available PoE specific ports, or you can use the PoE adapter brick or injector that comes with every wireless access point. If you use the injector, you'll need a 1-foot patch cable installed close to the Toast router. For indoor wireless access points, mounting it in the middle of your ceiling will provide the best wireless coverage in your restaurant due to the design of the device. Remember, Toast is not responsible for mounting, so these will need to be in place prior to your installation. Imagine that your indoor wireless access point mounted to the ceiling has an invisible dome that expands across the ceiling and down to the floor in all directions except up. This connectivity can extend up to 45 feet if unobstructed. Outdoor wireless access points can be mounted anywhere on the wall. Imagine that the outdoor wireless access point pushes Wi-Fi connectivity to your service area through its antennas as if they were wings, in every direction except straight up and down in the direction of the antennas. This connectivity can also extend up to 45 feet if unobstructed. You can arrange these antennas in different directions so you can be flexible with wall placement. You'll get the best coverage if these antennas are at an angle and not straight up and down. Remember to include at least one wireless access point in every room or service area where you intend to use a Toast Go. It's also important to remember that wireless access points work best when there's an unobstructed, direct line of sight between the Toast Go and the wireless access point. As with all wireless installations, every location is unique and may experience cold spots, interference, or loss of coverage due to the building's construction or furniture layout, like TVs, sound systems, computers, etc. Be sure to install all wireless access points far away from these electronics. Once your access points are installed, make sure they're showing a solid blue light. If you do not see a solid blue light, reach out to your onboarding consultant. After using your Toast Go handhelds for a couple of weeks, you may find you need to adjust the location or number of wireless access points for your space to ensure optimal connectivity. You can purchase additional wireless access points at any time. If you feel your location does not meet these requirements for access point installation, please reach out to your local contractor or IT consultant for support on making sure your site is ready before your scheduled install date.